All right, today I am staying at a hotel in Santa Cruz de la Sierra in Bolivia. And this particular hotel is called the Alfonsina, and it is a boutique hotel, as you can possibly see, with all the flowers and small little trinket looking items to left and right. There's a motorcycle inside. Of course, you know this is a boutique hotel. So look at inside, a lot of things going on. Portraits, very artistically laid out and designed. Pots, potted plants everywhere. A pool table right when you walk in, and there is a bicycle just sitting there. And I think it's just for decoration. A propeller, and there's a lot of things going on. I just passed the check-in desk, which is not much of a desk to the left. I will possibly come back to that. But I just walked all the way to the back, and there is a swimming pool that can be swam in. It's a nice looking swimming pool. I'll make my way around to it. So I'm just going to go through this. A lot of seating area in here for people who just want to, I guess, seat. And a private room. Well, not necessarily private, but where you can shut the door and have no sound come through. There was a TV room to the left that I just showed you. I'm just going to work my way through the hotel. Now, this is the ground floor. Okay, this is not the floor where the rooms are at. So I'm just walking around showing you what it looks like. And here is where the restaurant is, where you can order breakfast. They have complimentary breakfast in the morning. You can also order some extras that they will charge you for and eat it in there, or just bring some food and eat there yourself. Right here is a swimming pool. There is another entrance. This is the other entrance that I did not show you. I tried to show you the other entrance, but it was locked. And a photo of Jimi Hendrix at the other end of the pool. Very trendy place. And there's also a gym. Not much going on in there, but there is an elliptical, there is a bike machine, as well as a treadmill and some dumbbell weights for those of you who want big arms. Okay, I'm just going to walk in through here, and that is the kitchen, and there is another room. There is a table right here, and at nighttime, water comes out of the table. A really cool looking feature right there. And if you look to the right, I don't know if you can see it, there is a wine cellar that they have nicely placed in the hotel. And right here, I'm just coming along the side, and there are places to where you can sit. Now, I am going into the room right now. This is the actual room of that I stayed in right here. You can see it's very nice looking right here. There is a bed in there, of course, and there's this bench, I guess a bench for sitting. There's a toaster oven, but I'm not sure who still uses a toaster oven, a hot water maker, and a faucet. A faucet that sprays a lot of water. Cups to the side, in just case you want to drink out of a cup, hot water, and the toaster. I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to use a toaster. There is a refrigerator at the bottom, a mini refrigerator, so I can keep, I don't know, cold things in. Soda? What's in there? Oh, they actually have beer and beverages in there, water, soda, all of that in there. And of course, if you take it, you're going to get charged for it, so just be aware of that. And there's a sliding closet. Now, in the sliding closet right here, there is shelving where you can place things down. Put your bag there, put some clothes in there if you want to, and hangers for you all who want to hang up your clothes. I don't know who uses hangers anymore, but light switch so you can see. Very nice brick wall. It adds to the decor, and just look at that. Nice, comfortable bed. I'm ready to get in that bed. I'm just going to go ahead and swing to the left before I go into the restroom and show you what the bathroom looks like. Restroom, bathroom, same thing, right? Anyway, there's that infamous bench in this particular room. Now, other rooms, you may have a suite or something like that, and it actually has a couch and not this funny bench. I don't know who uses a bench, just like I don't know who uses a toaster oven anymore. But anyway, it looks like Amelia Earhart on the wall, as well as planes. Very nicely decorated right here. Carpeting. The floor is actually concrete, so you can probably jump up and down, and the people below you will not hear a thing. There's another bench. I don't know why they have so many benches in here, but hey, whatever floats your boat, right? The bed's nice and soft. There is a telephone in here and a froggy. Don't know what the froggy is. And for heating and cooling, there is a remote control to where you can turn the heater or air conditioner on to cool off or heat the room. There it is. That's what the air conditioner looks like. Now, I promise you, that thing right there actually does change the temperature in the room. It is very efficient. I wouldn't say efficient, but effective, I guess, right? You want to get hot? Turn it on, get hot. The headboard is a nice looking, very detailed, very eccentric. Is that the word that I'm looking for? I'm not exactly sure, but there's a lot of detail inside of this boutique hotel, as does a lot of boutique hotels. They're like this. Anyway, there's floor to ceiling windows right here. I'm not going to pull it all the way up. Maybe I'll show you a little bit of it. Going down, there's blinds to keep the sun out at the morning time, and I'm gonna go ahead and slide open the door, and it is a balcony that overlooks the pool and the beautiful night sky of Santa Cruz de la Sierra. Did I say it right? All right, so that's the pool right there. No one seems to be swimming like right now. I don't know, is that a cat right there? I don't know, it looks like a cat. Anyway, so there's a cat sitting there looking at what's going on. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and shut that and just give a peek out there. Another little peek before I close the blinds back down and continue the tour of the hotel room. That bench again, still can't get over how many benches are in here. A lot of benches in here. All right, so I'm going to walk into the bathroom, and you can see there is a door that opens up for the sink area, and then there's another door that goes for the actual toilet. I'll get to it. The sink is very unique. It's slanted. There is a vanity mirror, and of course a hair dryer for you to dry your hair. Might dry my hair a little bit later. There's a scale to see how much you've eaten during the trip, and a door to where you can have some privacy from, I don't know, the toilet, I guess. I don't know. So you go in there, and there's a door, and then there's another door for the shower to keep the water from spilling out. So there's a lot of doors in the bathroom, so you can do a lot of things at once and have the doors shut, I guess. I don't know, but it looks pretty cool. Don't know the exact purpose of having all those doors, but it looks complicated, and sometimes complicated makes it look sophisticated, even though it's not one bit. Anyway, there's a shower head. It's almost like a rainfall shower head, and the toilet, it is square for those of you who have square bottom sides, and there's something on the top. It says, I don't know what it says. It says something. I'll get back to it in a second or two. Anyway, I like that rug that is outside of or actually in the living room or the bedroom, whatever you want to call it. I'm making this room actually bigger than what it actually is. A nice size TV on the wall, a flat screen, high definition TV. Who says that? High definition. The TV is TVs are high definition, right? Well, anyway, you have the high definition TV on the wall, and this is the hotel room. All right. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.